everything we eat needs to be broken up into very small pieces, called nutrients, so that our bodies can absorb these nutrients and use them for energy and building new cells. Breaking down food to small particles, which can be absorbed into the blood, is called digestion. Digestion starts at the mouth. When you're chewing your food, saliva is added. You know, drool, drip, spit, the slimy stuff. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which breaks down starch to glucose. Also, saliva makes the chewed up food slippery and moist so that you can swallow it more easily. When you swallow your food, it enters your esophagus, then your stomach, the duodenum, the small intestine, the large intestine, and finally the rectum. Food is broken down by mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion uses teeth and muscular motion, whilst chemical digestion uses enzymes found in digestive juices. We're going to explore these juices a bit more closely. So, when your food has been transported through your esophagus, it enters your stomach. Your stomach churns your food and adds gastric juices and gastric acid. Gastric juices contain proteases, which break down protein to amino acids. Gastric acid, in its turn, destroys bacteria that you may have ingested along with your food. Food then enters the duodenum. Attached to the duodenum are the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. Bile changes large drops of fat into tiny droplets. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice, which contains all three types of enzyme to break down carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Now back to the system. The small intestine finishes digestion. Here, all products of digestion can be finally absorbed into the bloodstream. Hooray! The bloodstream will carry the nutrients to our bodily cells, where they are much needed. The still undigested waste, which could not be absorbed, moves into the large intestine. Here, most of the water from the waste is absorbed into the bloodstream, causing the waste to become more solid and turn into poo. In biology, poo is called feces. The feces are stored in the rectum until they are eliminated from the body. This happens, well, most of the time anyway, in a controlled fashion. Only when we relax our anus can the feces move out of the body and into the toilet, or wherever you prefer to excrete. Please, do it in the toilet. Just please.